Without money, your life is in danger. The biggest mistake beginners make in crypto and forex. And this is not entirely on beginners because if you look at the overall statistics of crypto traders and forex traders, you are going to find out that we have few profitable crypto and forex traders. So that simply means that we have very few people that are really profitable when it comes to trading both the forex market and the cryptocurrency market. And that means we have very many traders trading both the cryptocurrency market and the forex market that are not profitable. So this is the biggest mistake that beginners and very many people make when it comes to trading or associating with crypto and forex. If you are losing money in crypto and forex, this could be probably the biggest reason why, and it is not about the market, because very many people put the blame on the market, but it is not entirely up to the market. But this could be one of the reasons why you are not profitable when you are trading crypto and forex. So most beginners, as I said, this is not entirely on only beginners. So most beginners and very many people, as long as you know that you are not profitable, this is for you. So the most beginners enter a trade because they want quick profits. I always tell people and I always remind you, my dear friends, that forex trading and cryptocurrency trading or the investments, this is not a quick rich get scheme. Though trading can make you a millionaire, even a billionaire in dollars in overnight, but it can also do the opposite. A billionaire can lose the entire money. A millionaire can lose the entire millions of money within a blink of an eye. So you need to make sure that you understand that this is not a quick get rich scheme. Like any other business that you build over time, if you want to also build your wealth or success in trading, it is going to require you some time because it is not a walkover. There are some mistakes that you have to make, meaning that the mistakes that will lead you to incur or make some losses. Just like in life, we all experience challenges at a certain point. Everyone faces the challenges, but these challenges are very important in our lives because they help us to have what we call growth. We become more wiser, more knowledgeable on how we deal with different situations when they come to us. So it is the same thing also in trading. Make sure you first understand that if you see someone making $1,000 every day, don't think that you're also just going to come out of the blue and make the same money. It is possible you can, but the question is, can you maintain that? Because you can find someone, maybe he or she makes $1,000 maybe every week, which is good, but you don't know in the background what is happening. You don't know what is really happening. Because as I said, no trader just makes profits all the time. You'll find out that the person, if you look at the losses, for example, the person or the individual has lost $500 and then the person made $1,000. So meaning that the profits made are outweighing the loss. And in trading, as long as your profits outweigh the loss for a long period of time, definitely you are a profitable trader. Even if you say, I've made $100 as profits a month, when your loss you have made, for example, it's $50, still you're a profitable trader. So we need to understand that trading forex or crypto is not a quick rich get scheme, though the probabilities are very high for you to make it. But as I said, if things backfire, definitely you can also go back to zero if you are not careful and if you have not applied proper risk management onto your account. So, very many beginners and very many unprofitable traders in both crypto and Forex, because they see Bitcoin is moving or they see a Forex pair pumping, for example, the dollar against the British pound, or someone posting huge profits, they just jump in without analyzing the market. If you're going to trade, we have what we call the technical analysis, whereby we analyze the candlesticks. We all have different approaches in trading. You can find someone who's saying that for me, as soon as I see a change of character, that is when I enter my trade. Then someone can say, for me, I'm very keen at the break of structure. Then someone can say, for me, as long as I see a hammer. Someone can be waiting for a shooting star. Someone can be focusing on the support and resistance. Another person can be focusing on the supply and demand and very many other things that we focus on in the technical analysis. So because you see Bitcoin or a Forex trading pair going up, do not just jump in and say, now since I'm seeing Bitcoin is going up, it is still going up. Because you might see it when it's up, but when it's going to stop there, then it changes the direction. So if you do not have adequate information regarding the technical analysis, you'll find yourself that you fall into the trap. Also, to make something very clear, the cryptocurrency market, the Forex market, and the stocks market, they always present opportunities in two directions. That is why in crypto, we have what we call a long position and a short position. A long position means a buy order for those that trade Forex. A short position means a sell order, those that trade by the MetaTrader 5. So if you say long or buy, it means that you are anticipating that the market will appreciate in value. If you say short or sell, you are anticipating or predicting that the market will depreciate in value or go down in value. So we need to understand such terms because they're very important if you are going to be a profitable Forex or cryptocurrency trader. So do not just join in because you see the market is moving up. You see people are posting profits have made this out of this trade. So you'll find out that, for example, Arafat, I made $100 from Bitcoin. Then I post to show you that I've made the money. Because you see that Arafat have made $100, you say, let me also enter. Arafat, which direction did he choose? Short. Let me also go short. My dear friend, the market can be reversing. And do not say that since Arafat went short, let me go long. My dear friend, we are not in gambling business. Though at times, some people are lucky. They make money, not because they have the knowledge in the market, but just out of luck. But the question is, how long will that luck last of yours? How long will it last? Because at a certain point in time, your luck will run out, and definitely that is why you find out that at a certain point in time you find your entire trading capital liquidated or when you have lost it all. But if you proceed with the right knowledge and precaution, you will understand that if I'm entering this trade, this is how I should risk. So you will know the right and proper way on how to proceed in a safer way while trading the cryptocurrency market or the Forex market.